This is what every menopausal woman needs. Wild yam has long been used to adjust hormones that can cause symptoms like premenstrual syndrome and menstrual cramps. However, it can also assist with menopause-related issues, such as reducing hot flashes and improving mood. The wild yam plant is native to North America, Mexico, and some regions of Asia. For many years, both the root and bulb have been utilized in traditional medicine. In more recent investigations, it was discovered that wild yam includes a substance called deosgenin, which has been linked to several medical benefits. According to reports, this substance is comparable to the steroids our bodies naturally make. It is also frequently used as a natural menopause remedy since it is thought to have mild estrogen-like properties. Progesterone and cortisone are only two of the medically useful steroids made from the deosgenin present in wild yam. Deosgenin from wild yams is thought to provide advantages comparable to those of laboratory-produced steroids. Wild yams and fertility. Infertility has historically been treated with wild yam in traditional medicine. It is thought to increase the quantity and quality of cervical mucus while regulating estrogen levels. Oviductal and fallopian tube spasms, which can hinder implantation and pregnancy, may even be lessened by its inherent antispasmodic qualities. When applied topically as a cream, the plant releases a natural form of progesterone that is easily absorbed by the body. The body creates elevated levels of progesterone right after ovulation during a regular reproductive cycle, which is why there is a link between wild yam and fertility. This progesterone aids in the growth and thickening of the endometrium's lining. If an egg is fertilized after ovulation, the environment for the developing fetus is provided by the thicker endometrial lining. Wild yam for heart health. Women's risk of cardiovascular disease rises after menopause as a result of a decline in estrogen. According to some scientists, lowering cholesterol levels may be another way that wild yam prevents heart disease. Wild yam and arthritis. The term rheumatism root, one of the numerous titles given to wild yam, refers to the time when it was frequently used to relieve joint and muscular pain. Because of the strong anti-inflammatory properties of wild yam, which have been shown in certain trials to reduce swelling and discomfort, it is thought to be beneficial in treating the signs and symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Wild yam and weight loss. It has been suggested that the glucomannan in yams may help people lose weight. This is because the fiber transforms into a gel in the stomach, prolonging your feeling of fullness. As a result, it may be easier to control urges and eat less between meals. Wild yam and blood sugar levels. Chinese yam has a variety of polysaccharides, some of which lower blood sugar levels, while others have potent antioxidant qualities. Glucomannan, a kind of dietary fiber found in yams, has been demonstrated to lower blood sugar levels because it slows the passage of food glucose into the intestines by delaying stomach emptying. According to preliminary research, glucomannan decreased non-fasting glucose and decreased hunger in people with type 2 diabetes. The bottom line is wild yam is utilized for a variety of health benefits, including alleviating menopausal symptoms, assisting with conception, improving cognition, and reducing arthritis-related swelling and discomfort. Taking it has few adverse effects as long as you take the recommended amount. It's possible that up until this point, you haven't heard anything about wild yam. The potential of the yam shouldn't be undervalued, though. There's a reason why it has long been utilized in traditional medicine for a variety of health problems, from reducing menopausal symptoms to enhancing heart health and brain function. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.